Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you love cookies, you need to bake yourself this giant one. It's the perfect dessert. So, ingredients. We've got some plain flour here, some chocolate chips, some normal sugar and some lovely sticky brown sugar. I've got some baking powder, an egg, a little bit of salt, some vanilla essence, some butter and just some cooking spray to put into our pan. Okay, so first up we're going to do the dry mix. So I've got my flour, add a little bit of salt and my baking powder. All of the amounts are in the description. So give that a mix together, just make sure it's well combined to make sure that baking powder's all the way through. Then grab another bowl, we're going to put our butter and our 2 sugars, so the normal white sugar and a lovely sticky brown one. That's what makes the cookie gooey. Oh, some vanilla essence in there, can't have a cookie without vanilla essence. Then you're going to cream those together. My butter was too hard, should have had softer butter. This took forever. Luckily I've cut it out for you. Okay, pop the egg in. Nice large egg there. Give that a mix in and you just want to combine that. Again, my butter's a bit hard, but keep going, keep going, keep going until it looks like this. Lovely. So next up we're going to put the dry into the wet. So I do this about a third at a time just to stop it throwing itself outside the bowl. So 1 lot, 2 lots, and the final bit in there. Mix that cookie dough up, make sure it's nice and soft. Plenty of chocolate chips, can't have a good cookie without chocolate chips. Mix them in, distribute them in. Okay, so I've just got a pan here, I'm just going to spray it with my spray oil, stop my cookie sticking. You could put some parchment paper in the bottom there, I might recommend that, it was quite hard to get out if you cool it down. Pop the cookie mixture in and spread it around till it's even roughly in the pan. Next up I'm just going to put the rack. I did this in the Ninja Foodi Max, you could do it in any air fryer that's got a bake function. Close the lid up and we're going to bake this for 21 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. So pop that on, go away, do some jobs, come back, and here we have it. Beautifully baked cookie. And like I said, this is a perfect sharing dessert, just eat it straight out the pan. You can even let it cool and have it, but there's some vanilla ice cream right in the middle, ready to dig in. Perfect to share or have on your own if you've had a really bad day.